Oh, this billionaire morning routine is ridiculous.
Every month for
Why?
AI
What's wrong with
tools.
it?
It makes me
But
feel
what
like
if
a
I
total
told you
peasant when
there's
I'm
a
just
way to
making
use
toast.
Seedance
Well, it's
2.0,
designed to be luxurious and
GPT
inspiring.
Image, and even
Inspiring me
AI
to stay
video
broke.
generation completely free. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI setup I've been using to create cinematic thumbnails, realistic AI images, and viral videos without paying for expensive subscriptions. If you're a content creator, freelancer, YouTuber, or someone who wants to make money with AI, this might be one of the most useful videos you watch today. So let's start with Seedance 2.0. Right now, Seedance is becoming one of the most powerful AI tools for generating ultra-realistic images, viral thumbnails, cinematic posters, and high CTR content. You can literally create Mr. Beast-style thumbnails with neon lighting, dramatic shadows, glossy effects, and realistic faces in minutes. For example, this thumbnail right here was generated almost entirely with AI. Now let's talk about GPT Image. OpenAI's image generation has become insanely powerful. You just write a prompt like viral YouTube thumbnail, cinematic portrait, hyper-realistic AI scene, and the AI creates professional-level results instantly. But there's one big problem. Most people hit limits very quickly, and premium plans can get expensive. That's where Pipit AI comes in. Pipit lets you generate AI content and even AI videos with free access. Yes, AI videos too. You upload an image, write a simple prompt, and it automatically turns it into a cinematic animated video. This is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and faceless AI content. And honestly, the quality is surprisingly good. So here's the workflow I use. First, I generate the main image using GPT Image. Then I enhance the visuals and cinematic style inside Seedance 2.0. Finally, I use Pipit AI to animate everything into a high-quality AI video. The final result looks professional, even if you're just using your phone. That's why I think AI content creation is one of the biggest opportunities right now. You no longer need expensive software, editing skills, or a huge budget to make viral content. AI can do most of the hard work for you. So if you want a full tutorial, hidden prompts, or my complete AI workflow, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And comment below, would you use AI more for images or videos? Because in the next video, I'll show even more insane AI tools that most people still don't know about.